Ramji bill seems to have reached another flashpoint late last night as the Rajya Sabha passed the legislation, clearing it in the stormy passage in the Lok Sabha earlier in the day. The bill that now seeks to replace Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, also known as Manrega, now awaits the president's assent before it turns into a law. But as the voting began in the upper house, the opposition MPs who had consistently labelled the legislation as anti-people and anti-Gandhi staged a walkout. Some in the opposition even went a step further, tearing copies of the bill in protest and accusing the government of dismantling a crucial rural employment safety net.
Well, I shall now put the motion moved by Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan for consideration of the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin VPG Ramji Bill 2025 to vote. The question is that the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin VPG Ramji Bill 2025 yes, passed by the Lok Sabha to be taken into consideration. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. I shall now put the motion moved by Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan for consideration of the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin VPG Ramji Bill 2025 to vote. The question is that the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin VPG Ramji Bill 2025 yes, passed by the Lok Sabha to be taken into consideration. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. I shall now put the motion moved by Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
Such were the scenes that were witnessed in the upper house yesterday, the bill that made it through the Lok Sabha despite protests and walkouts on Thursday afternoon. And the debate in the Rajya Sabha that went on post-midnight and around 12:15 a.m., the voting was held and the bill was passed by a voice vote. Now, the opposition that continuously called for an outright withdrawal of the bill, in the end, they walked, and when it comes to the bill that was passed in both houses, in the presence of the members of the ruling alliance as well, let's get in a word from Isha as well. Isha, good morning. It seems that the MPs also coming in from the opposition side staged a walkout and they have been sitting on a dharna ever since. The government, however, has repeatedly underscored that an updation was necessary and it was essential to fix the shortcomings in the 20-year-old scheme.
Right, Amita, this is part and parcel of democracy. All bills are picked up and refurbished into something better. That is something that what the government has been stating, that this is what they aim to do, that they want to do better with the Manrega bill. However, a row has now erupted over the change of the name because Manrega does contain Mahatma Gandhi's name. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge stated that this is as bad as the farm laws and this will result in people coming out on the streets protesting. He also went on to say that this can also possibly mean that it can get as bad as the farmer protested. So he did issue a warning to the government stating that their actions are incorrect and he believes that they should not be done. However, Amita, the question is, the government has been stating that this is a bill only which is going forward for an updation. This is going to solve the same purpose and it's going to even provide more employment than it has in the past. So this is where the opposition and the ruling government are caught in a crossfire, both unable to agree with each other, leading to a tiff in the parliament.
What about the protesting MPs, Isha, as far as them continuously sitting on a dharna as well after staging a walkout?
Amita, the parliament could not function after a walkout was staged. In fact, the question is that why was there no debate? Why was there no discussion? And a lot of MPs we've seen in the visuals as well that they were sitting on a dharna, they were sitting on a protest against this particular bill. However, it's important to note that today is the last day of the winter session, so there isn't much time for the opposition MPs and the government to actually debate and come to a reasonable ground to agree on. So debating and coming out on a dharna are very much part of the democracy. But again, the question there is that is this in the favor of the people?
All right, as the last day of the winter session of Parliament, as far as the developments that has been unfolding, it was quite a stormy one yesterday, as it was witnessed in both the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha as well, as the bill made it through the Lok Sabha despite the protests and the walkouts that happened on Thursday afternoon. And later the debate happened in the Rajya Sabha that went on post midnight. And later then the voting happened, which was passed, the bill that was passed by a voice vote. However, the developments now that are concerned with the bill having now passed both houses of Parliament, it now requires the President's assent to turn it into a law. Let's listen in as far as when it comes to the debates in the opposition side from Mallikarjun Kharge as voices were raised against the bill.
लेकिन ऐसा इंसान, ऐसा मंत्री जो करुणा में और गरीबों के लिए करुणा दिखाते हैं, वो इस मनरेगा को बर्बाद कर सकते हैं। आपका कोई ना कोई मजबूरी है, वो आप बाहर नहीं निकाल रहे, नहीं तो सर वो हमेशा हंसते रहते हैं और सबके साथ हंसते मिलते हैं। लेकिन अब यहाँ आने के बाद इतना दुखी हो गए, इतना परेशान हो गए, क्योंकि पूरा दिल्ली में आने के बाद एक तो पोल्यूशन है ही है, लेकिन शायद आपके सरकार में बहुत बड़ा पोल्यूशन है। और दूसरी चीज, ये जनता के अधिकार छीन लेने का जो काम कर रहे हैं, आपको कल के दिन ऐसा ही एक समय आएगा जिस ढंग से आप 3 कृषि काले कानून को वापस लिए, तो ऐसा एजिटेशन आपको चाहिए कि लोग आपको गड़बड़ करने से, रास्ते बंद होने से, गोलियां खाने से यही पसंद है। उसी वक्त अगर आप ये करते हैं तो लोग मजबूरन रास्ते पे आएंगे, सड़क पे आएंगे, गोलियां भी खाएंगे, लेकिन इस कानून को सपोर्ट कभी नहीं करेंगे और हम लड़ते रहेंगे। सर, मैं एक बात कहूंगा, वो शायरी तो नहीं है, मैं ये बोलूंगा कि ये जो गरीबों को जो सपना दिखा रहे हैं वो कभी पूरा नहीं होगा। इसीलिए गरीब लोग कह रहे हैं, ए तिरुचि सुनो इधर भी जरा।
शायद आजाद हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में सबसे दुखद दिन है। भाजपा सरकार ने एक ऐसा घाव 12 करोड़ से अधिक करोड़ों मजदूरों की रोजी रोटी पर दिया है, मनरेगा कानून को खत्म कर। वो मनरेगा जिससे गरीब को रोजगार की गारंटी का अधिकार था, कभी भी, कहीं भी, किसी भी प्रांत, किसी भी राज्य, किसी भी गांव में, उस मनरेगा कानून को आज खत्म कर मोदी सरकार ने यह साबित कर दिया है कि वो किसान हो या मजदूर, उन दोनों के हकों पर कुठाराघात ही इस सरकार का असली षड्यंत्रकारी एजेंडा है। इस षड्यंत्रकारी एजेंडा के खिलाफ माननीय मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी और श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में समूचे विपक्ष ने एकजुट हो मजदूरों की आवाज उठाई और सरकार से यह मांग की कि सरकार द्वारा लाया गया साजिशन षड्यंत्रकारी कानून, जिससे मनरेगा की रोजगार की गारंटी को खत्म किया जा रहा है, उसे सेलेक्ट कमेटी को भेजा जाए और मनरेगा कानून को एक बार फिर वापस लेकर आया जाए, ताकि गरीबों, दलितों, पिछड़ों, आदिवासियों, क्योंकि 95% मजदूर यही हैं, उनके अधिकार की वापसी हो सके। सरकार ने ये मांग अस्वीकार कर दी और उनके हकों के ऊपर का हनन किया है, कुठाराघात किया है। इसलिए उस कानून की प्रतिलिपि पूरे विपक्ष ने फाड़कर आज सदन से बहिर्गमन किया है।
Well, Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP is connected with us. Shehzad, good morning. How are you looking at these protests and opposition walkouts and dharna that they are now being staging? Because as far as the approval that has now come in from both houses of parliament, the bill only awaits the president's assent.
You see, the problem with them is that during the Manrega bill, at that time, they themselves used to propose that this particular law needs to be made into state sharing. They were the ones who used to say that the funding needs to be cut. And at that time, they did nothing for the Manrega. And in fact, it was Modi government that in fact spent 80,000 crores till that amount also in Manrega. But today, when a new law has been brought, and this will ensure not just employment but also Ajivika, and it is going to give 125 days guaranteed work, because they hate Ram, because they hate Viksit Bharat, now they are opposing it and they are also threatening to take to the streets. It shows that Congress party is so opposed to Ram that now it will also oppose this kind of law just in the name of the bill. They don't have any problem with the function of the bill. They just have a problem with the name.
All right. Thank you very much, Shehzad, for joining in. As far as the problem with the name is concerned, because when it comes to the provisions of the new bill that is being questioned, declaring as far as the opposition is concerned that it wipes out the soul and the spirit of the flagship social welfare program that was introduced by the then UPA government back in 2005. More reactions coming in. Let's listen in.
To the states, as well as reducing the salary also. Last year and this year, the budget allocation for Manrega has come down. So totally they are getting above everything. It was in the name of Mahatma Gandhi. How they shifted the statue of Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Anil Ambedkar to the backside of the parliament where people cannot see. Likewise, they have removed Mahatma Gandhi's name himself. Because Gandhi, without Gandhi, there is no freedom. That is the total belief in this country. Because of him, it took a momentum. Though freedom movement was there, it took a momentum after him. And people are celebrating across the world. Even in Britain Parliament, we are having Gandhi statue. But here in the Indian Parliament, his statue is hidden somewhere. And now the scheme which bore his name has also been removed. So we agitated it not only against that. This bill has to be referred to a select committee. And the select committee will scrutinize the bill. And after hearing the stakeholders and deeply scrutinizing, you can bring the bill and we will help you. But they are not prepared to even refer it to select committee, and they are so in urgency. They brought the farm bills also like that. Later they were compelled to repeal it. So also the same will happen to this. We are totally against it. Since they didn't even yield to select committees referring, we all say the walkout.
सेलेक्ट कमेटी, स्टैंडिंग कमेटी, किसी कमेटी में रेफर करिए, ये कोई बहुत बड़ी मांग नहीं है। इसको सबसे कम रेफरेंसेस इस सरकार ने 10 वर्षों में की है। उसी श्रृंखला में ये एक और बिल है जिसको अहंकार के कारण, जिद के कारण इन्होंने नहीं किया। ये उतना ही काला दिवस है जितना वो कृषक के 3 कानून जब किए थे जो इनको वापस लेने पड़े थे। और दूसरा, ज्यादा चालाकी से जब बढ़ोतरी दिखाकर एक्चुअली आप इसमें इतनी कमी कर रहे हैं इस कानून में, ज्यादा चालाकी और भी ज्यादा खतरे वाली होती है। दिन उन्होंने बढ़ाने की आपके सामने एक रखी, लेकिन वास्तविकता क्या है? वास्तविकता है कि 60 और 40 का रेशियो। वास्तविकता है कि व्यापकता इस स्कीम की बंद की है। 4 या 5 हिस्सों में सिर्फ सीमित है। ये 4 या 5 कार्य सिर्फ इसमें हो सकते हैं। इसमें बहुत सारी और सीमाएं डाल दी हैं और इसका गला घोटने का प्रयत्न ज्यादा चालाकी से किया गया है। इसलिए हम लोग सब साथ मिलकर इसकी भर्त्सना करते हैं और इसीलिए बहिर्गमन हुआ है।
Well, on part of the opposition protest that still continues, and then the TMC MP here, Sagrika Ghosh, has just posted a 5 a.m. post on X saying that this is 5 a.m. from the AITC official dharna at the steps, on the steps of the parliament. And good morning, Mahatma Gandhi Amar Rahe, the Manrega protest. As we can see, the pictures that are now coming in of how drawing up those blankets and those monkey caps, you can see all of the leaders there, mainly coming in from the TMC in the opposition, holding banners and pictures of Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore seem to be holding this overnight dharna, and that too on the steps of the parliament. Now, these developments are coming at a time when the opposition has questioned the government's motivation in replacing Mahatma Gandhi's name, where multiple leaders have declared that it was the government's intention to obliterate the name of Mahatma Gandhi from history. We'll get you more. The Dharna politics continues back after a short break.